What's up, everybody? This is Brandon with Canyon Adventure Vans. Today we're going to be installing the Storyteller cabinet shelf. So with these, what you want to do is just make sure these little rubber pads are up here in the front. And you come to your shelf right here and you want to put it in at an angle like this. And you just slide it in like that. Kind of have to tilt it up like that. And then once this clears, you can drop it back down and it sits right in there. And then next you'll take the two legs for it, and you want to make sure that the logo's facing the insides on both sides. And you just want to lift the shelf up, set them in there, have those bolts facing outwards, and they'll just slide right into the slots right here. And then grab your other leg, have the logo facing this way, and then just take it, slide it right underneath and into those slots. And then once you have it like this, you just grab your hardware kit. There's 4 nuts in here, and they'll just go right on the end of each of these bolts. They're size 7/16. And just tighten each of those up. And then once those are tight, you just pull it forward, make sure the rubber is right here up against the metal, and then this shelf is good to go. So this one is for the back of the van here. It's the rear shelf. What you're going to do is you're going to take the shelf right here. You want these rubber pads facing the front and these little slots down here facing down. You come to the side here and you just slide it in just like that, and then set it down. And then you come over here and grab the legs for it. The legs you want both facing inwards with studs facing towards the middle. So you just lift up your shelf here and slide it underneath like this. And it should pop just right into those slots right there. And you grab your other leg, do the same thing. And next you'll grab your hardware kit. Comes with 4 of these nuts right here. They're size 7/16. So then you'll throw one of these on each of the studs right here. I just lightly get each of them started by hand. And then last, you'll just come in here and tighten each of these up. I just keep a hand on top, keep a little pressure on there. That's it for the Storyteller cabinet shelf. Make sure to like and subscribe and check our website, canyonadventurevans.com.